When we are camping, there are a few things that we get asked about quite a bit. We get asked about our dog, we get asked about our Anderson hitch, and we get asked about our Gazebo portable tent. And so we thought today we would take a few minutes and shoot a quick video on how easy this is to set up, because it's something that we absolutely love. This is the Gazelle Gazebo G6. They also make a G5 version, which is a little smaller. It's the 5-sided version. This is the G6, the 6-sided version. It weighs 34 pounds, nice and portable, and you can set it up in just moments. So here we go. So inside, there are only 2 poles that come with it. Everything else is already contained in the tent and all pops up together. So once we have it laid here, this very top part is gonna wind up to be the peak of the roof. We're gonna kind of fan it out and we're gonna fold it over the top of us and press up on this peak like we're opening up an umbrella. Are you gonna help, Jasper? Here we go. And just like that, we have a gazebo. Now I mentioned the 2 poles, and these just pop together, and there are 2 of these, and the only place that you have to worry about putting these poles is on the opening side, and those go floor to ceiling to give this a little extra support. So these just pop into a receptacle at the bottom, they pop into a receptacle at the top, and then there's a little tiny piece of Velcro to hold it into place, and then we repeat on the other side. Assemble the pole, put it in the bottom pocket, you put it into the top pocket, and then you attach the Velcro. And that's all there is to it to complete the setup. Now, if you're in a windy environment, there is a place to stake the tent to the ground. And we'll do that outside, so come follow me. There are 2 places to stake the tent to the ground. Underneath these flaps, you have a heavy-duty strap, and these can get staked to the ground to hold it from the bottom. And then the other place to stake it is from the top corners, and the Gazelle Gazebo does come with the cable or the cord that will attach here, and then you can stake it to the ground, and that way, depending on your environment, you can really provide a lot of stability to the tent. Today, it's a beautiful, sunny, calm day, and so there's no need for the stakes. We can just pop it up and enjoy the shade. One last accessory you can add to the Gazelle Gazebo are some side panels. If you didn't want this to be completely open and you wanted it covered either for privacy, wind, or rain, you can add these side panels. They're sold separately and in sets of 3, and just open them up and attach them to the gazebo. The reason why we chose the G6 model, the larger 6-sided model, is that the shape of this fits nicely over any picnic table. So when we do bring it camping, we will often set this up outside the RV, covering the picnic table. We will run party lights, and we'll kind of tuck them up and under these railings. We'll even run an extension cord out to power those, and a lot of times we'll even put a little fan on the table to provide a little breeze. This is perfect to take camping. This is a great choice to get out and have an adventure, because today is an adventure day.